so let's get started. I'm Ayushi Gupta. We are starting with priming our skin. For this, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty's Pearl Primer and applying on my skin. I already moisturized my skin so well because moisturizer is also so important. For the foundation, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's liquid foundation. When we are in formals, when we are in office, or we are giving a presentation, or whatever it is we are going to give an interview, we don't want to our base look high coverage. We just want to look our skin even. That's it. So for this, I'm using this foundation. It's so lightweight and it's so light coverage to medium coverage. It just give you a even skin tone, nothing more than that, but it's so good for your formals or for your office go to look. For concealer, I'm using the Fashion Factory concealer. This concealer has medium to high coverage. It doesn't have a full coverage because we are going to do simple or as minimum as we can. Now blending with the beauty blender, I'm using the triangular beauty blender. I don't know the brands, but I don't know the brand of this because I buy it from my classes and it's so good. It's really so good. Now setting my base with this Naked 6 Clemmies loose powder with a powder brush. For brows, I'm using this brown gel liner and fill in my brows. We are filling our brows as light as we can, but for a good shape. Now I'm taking this fluffy brush and this light brown color from Revolution palette and just applying or blending on my crease line, just like it. It has a base color. After that, I'm taking this small fluffy brush and a dark brown color and applying on my lower my crease line, just like it. Because we applied base color, after that we are applied just a little dark color and applying on my lower of my crease line and also on the outer corner, so our eyes look deeper and bigger. Now I'm applying liner, just a basic liner, nothing more than that, not a wing, not a cat eye, nothing at all. In this look, we don't want something so tied up. We just want simple as much as we can, but clean look. Simple plus clean. So here it is. It looks super clean and simple. After that, I'm applying Glam 21 mascara and we are done with eyes. Back up, we are not. So without kajal, how can I complete this look? Kajal enhance this look. Look at that, just a little bit kajal, just a little bit, just minimum. This Giordani's blusher and my cheeks. The combination is always a great. So I'm applying the blusher. The amount of highlighter can make your day and break your day. Just minimum highlighter make your day and too much highlighter can break your day. So this is the lipstick of Swiss Beauties and the color is Pear. This is nude lipstick. It works for your day. It's just so good. Look at that, no? Making this lipstick glossy, I'm applying Vaseline because I don't have this color on my glossy lipsticks, so it already looks perfect, so I don't have to need that. See. For hairstyle, I'm going to make a side lower bun, so I'm taking all my hairs to the side and making first I'm doing a side partition and then taking the hair of the front and attaching it with the bobby pin. Now I'm taking all my hairs to the side lower for a bun and just making a simple and easy bun, just folding it down round round round, and that's it. Your bun is done. Attached it with the U pins or bobby pins, whatever you want, but I'm attaching it with the bobby pin. So, what do you think about this look? I hope you like this look, and I hope, really, really hope that if you find this video helpful. I really enjoy when someone find my video helpful and they do this on their day. And if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my makeup, skincare, hair care, hairstyles video. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye.